Hi, this is Andrew and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your website from scratch using WordPress. So if you're thinking of doing your website yourself and you want to learn how to build it, then watch this video till the end. And I'm going to walk you step by step. There are 6 steps on how to create this website on your own using WordPress. Okay, step number 1, before you want to build a website, you need to have a hosting. Now, if you want to learn more about hosting, then you can watch this video here that I've done before, and I'll explain a little bit more about the hosting, the domain, what is it all about in this video. But today I'm going to walk you 6 steps on how to create your WordPress website. So step number 1 is to find a hosting. So I'm going to show you the hosting that I'm using. Is one of the most affordable and also fast. And if you like it, you can also sign up for that because this is one of the cheapest and fastest and reliable hosting company. Let's jump right in. Okay, this hosting is called Hostinger. Now, the link, if you want to sign up for it, the link is right below and you can click it and then sign up an account for yourself. Let me show you this, right? I'm going to quickly show you the pricing. All right, you'll be surprised. The pricing is like starting from only like 3 ringgit, okay, to now this is one of the best package. You want, you can take this like 8 ringgit. It's only like 8 ringgit. It's just like a milk tea, a cup of milk tea only. So if you want, then you can just go here and add to cart. And there are a couple options here. One is to sign up for 1 month, 44 ringgit. This is totally not worth it. So I wouldn't recommend you go for that. At least you go for like 12 months, it's like 14 ringgit. And also 11 ringgit for 24 months. And the best deal will be 805, right? This is a deal that I will take. Now, go down to the description right below if you're really interested and you want to support me on my video creation to teach more people how to grow online. Just go down and click on the link, and there is a coupon code that I've given to my fans, right? So all you need is come here. You see there's a coupon code right over here, and it's like gray out. So all you need is just click here and then type in ACHOSTING, AC hosting, and click the plus sign. So instead of 386, you will get 359, right? So you will save even more using my coupon, right? So, and good things is right now it's already dropped to like 7 ringgit 50 cents. So now come over here, and this hosting will also give you a domain. So step number 2, after you get your hosting, you want to have a domain. Domain is like your address, okay? This is like abc.com where people can find you. So come over here, put in your domain that you want. Let's say I want a ABC address. Always find, if possible, .com. That will be easy for people to remember. Okay. So let's wait and see whether it find this still available or not. Looks like, yeah, looks like I can register this. Okay. Now don't follow this. You find something that's suitable, your name, your company name, something that you want, and search for it, because I just simply type and it's wrong spelling. Yeah. So once you come to here, and what you can do is go check out over here. Okay. So check out and follow the steps. And then once you register, then I will see you right inside because I already have an account. So I will just log in and then I'll show you what to do. And we will take the next step is to create or install your WordPress inside your hosting. So I'll see you right inside the back office. Okay, so once you sign up for Hostinger, login, and then you will come in. This is your home page. Yeah. So you come in over here. This is your home page, and then your domain, if you register. So this is the domain that I already registered. So comes over here and then click on manage. Yeah. Then it will take you to this page, right? Where there's a lot of icons in over here. So don't worry. So what you want to do is that you scroll down and then you can see this website. Yeah. So here the website, what we're going to do is click on the auto installer. So once you come in here, you will see WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, and others. So don't worry about the rest. Focus on here. Select this WordPress because we are going to install a WordPress website. So over here, basically you will have this, the domain name that you want to install the software, WordPress software on it. Just fill in all the blanks over here. Okay, so once you key in all this data and you want to install that, before you install, select this turn off automatic application updates. I don't like the software to update itself because sometimes the plugins, the WordPress main software may clash. So I will do it manually. Yeah. So, I mean, if you want, you can always choose update only the minor version. So the major version, it will not auto update. For me, I prefer I do it myself manually. Yeah. To prevent any problems. Just in case there's a new update that clashes with some other plugins, then my website will clash. So usually I do not update so frequent. So once you select this turn off automatic application updates, click install. All right, so once your website is done or your WordPress is done installed, so it will come over here to show you it's already installed. So this is your website name, and then click on it to open a new tab. So basically, this is your WordPress website. So it's done. All right. No, I'm just kidding. So now it's actually done installing the software. But now what we're going to do is that we want to create your website. So we need to log into the back office of the WordPress. Just now we are in the back office of the hosting. Yeah. So there was a hosting to install the WordPress software onto your hosting. So now we need to log into this WordPress website back office. So you scroll down, you can see there's this login. So click on the login. It will take you to this login page. Once here, you can come in here and then key in the username and password that you set inside just now the Hostinger back office. So you key in your username and password, then you can log in. Once you log in, you will see this page, right? This is the dashboard of the WordPress or inside the WordPress back office. Okay, so now the next step is that we want to make it simple for you to create your website. So I'm going to install a so-called plugins. Now, the WordPress software is a software for, used to be for CMS. CMS is content management system. People use this to write blog, but today it's a very powerful software that you can do a lot of stuff with that. But it is the base, right? WordPress is just a base. Now there are quite a good so-called web builder already built in the latest WordPress version. But I'm going to show you the one that I'm used, the page builder, that it will simplify for, especially for beginners like you, to actually create your website. So WordPress is using a so-called plugin, right, to add the power, right, or functions to the base of the WordPress. So let's go to this plugin, and then now I think the website is already comes with pre-installed plugins. Right, these are some of the pre-installed plugins. If you don't like it, you can just delete it. Yeah. So like me, I always come in and then I will deactivate all. And then I will delete all. I don't have a lot of plugins because the more plugins it is, then the slower the website. Right? So once this plugin is already deleted, let's go and add new. The one that I want is called Elementor. Right? So Elementor. Okay. Elementor. Right, so you can see here Elementor website builder. There's already like 5+ million active installation. It is one of the very popular web builder within WordPress. So click install. Okay, so once it install, then you need to activate it. Click activate. And there you are. So this is already done, Elementor. Yeah. So then you can go and create your first page over here. Now you want to learn more, click here, getting started. And then this is a video will teach you on how to use the Elementor to build your website. Yeah, the step-by-steps. Okay. So when you go into your plugin now, then you can see there's this Elementor. Yeah. Now, this is a free version. Free version will have like quite a lot of functions, but if you want to do more, then you can go pro. Yeah. Go pro means that you buy the pro version, which has a lot more function, which is very, very important. And then the price is just starting from like $49 per year for one site. If you have one site, then it's only like $49. Then if you have more, then you can take this $99 for 3 sites, which is cheaper per site. Yeah. All right. So then you can watch all these things. So let's jump right back, and then we want to create your website. So to create a website here, let's go to the page. Go to the page. Okay. So what one is that? Let's start with your home page. So in this video, I'm going to show you just one page how to create. Then you can duplicate to create your other pages. All right. So when you come in here, this is the latest WordPress builder. So I don't want to use it. Close it. And then here I want to, yeah, you can put a title. Let's put a title here. Let's say this is homepage. I just put home. Okay. And then I go to edit with Elementor. Now it brings me to the Elementor page. Yeah. So this is the design. Okay. That is originally, yeah, come with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right over here, select the page layout to be Elementor canvas. So after selecting, let me refresh. Now it takes away all the unwanted things in the home page. So now it's clean, empty. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do some cheat, because to really use the full function of Elementor, there are a lot of all these functions over here that you can use to build from scratch. But for beginners, I highly recommend it. Let's do some cheat. Yeah. All right. So click on here. Then what you can do is that you can see there are a lot of pages, ready-made pages done by Elementor. Yeah. Now, of course, the rest is pro. Yeah, that's why, because the company, of course, they need to make money so that they can continue to come out with better products and keep updating and so on. So I highly recommend that you really want to have a really serious website, then just go for the pro. Okay. Now, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 website right over here that we can start using. So if your budget is the constraint, you can always start with all these 5 websites. Yeah. So this will be like for agency, and you can click here. And basically give you some previews. Okay, so this is how the website is going to look like. All right, so then if I like this, then I just click insert. Then you need to, of course, get started, go and sign up. So you got to go and sign up for your Elementor account. This is a free account, just log in, all right? Okay, so you get back over here after you log in or sign up and then log in, you connect to the website and then you will come back over here and just wait for it to load. All right, so now after a couple seconds, then the website is ready. So now basically your website is like almost done. So you can see here, you got your header over here, header photos, who is it for, right? This is your team, and this is the design. So all you need to do is just go and change. Let's say I want to change these photos, yeah? So you just click on here, it's highlight, you can see the blue line over here. Then you just go over here to the style. See the image over here? Then choose a new image and then upload it. Then drag the file to upload. That's it. You can change the image. And then you want to change this, how to make a website with WordPress. You see how easy is that? Then click on here, whatever description over here. Then you can see the description over here. Website building tutorial. Okay. Or blah, 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 all this stuff. So all this is done. Now this is a YouTube. It's embed the YouTube video. So you want, you can click on here, right? Click on here. You can see here is select the source from YouTube. You can have from Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted. So YouTube, and then you just need to click the YouTube links and copy over here, and that's it. Then there are a lot of settings over here. You can go and play around with that. You want to autoplay, means that people will go in, it will autoplay. So you don't want autoplay, then you just click on that. Okay, and then mute. Most probably we like it mute because you don't want people just go to your website. If you have autoplay and not mute, it suddenly blasts off all the music or audio, will scare people away. Then you want to have this player control or loops, then you can, all this, you go and adjust it yourself. Yeah, so then this is the second section. All right, this is the third section. If I don't want this section, I just click here, delete section. Click here, and it's gone. See that or not? Right? Okay, so then this is gone. Now, come back to here, click on this. So if I want to add a heading somewhere over here, so what I'm going to do is that let me click on here, plus. I create a section. So I click this plus here. I just want one big heading, right? Just one section. You want 2 columns, 3 columns. It's up to you, right? How you want to design. So it's just one column. I'll click here. Yeah, now it's empty. Then I'll click over here. These are all the elements that you can add to here, right? So now you can see this is the basic and these are the pro. There's a pro meaning they're a lot more powerful, especially the form. So over here, the heading, if I want this, I will click and drag it over here. Now I got a heading. So I need is to click here, my title here. All right, so then I want to like center it. Okay, if I want to change the format, just go to style. Then this is the text color. I can change the text color. I want just black color. Okay, I want what the font, typography. So I can change the font. There are plenty of fonts in here. So just click on it. There's so many fonts. So I want to change this. You can see I can change already. I want it to the size to be smaller, bigger. I can drag okay, until the size that I want. Yeah, I want the weight to be light or I want it to be heavy. Okay, means thicker. Yeah, so you can do that. Then there are transform. I want everything to be like uppercase. You see, so it's very easy. You can just play around with this. Then this is your title. Okay. So basically, then you have your map as well. So here you can put in your address. This is your map. Let's say I want to change the map because this is not my address. So I just click here. And then you key in your address. Right. So let's say I'm in Jalan Ipoh in Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so it will find where's the location here. Then if you want to make it like zoom in further, maybe 15. Okay, so this will be the Jalan Ipoh area here, right? Okay, I don't even know where's Jalan Ipoh. All right, so somewhere over here. So it's up to you. You want it, how you want it to be. You want to adjust it, the height, make it bigger, smaller. Let's say I just want 550. Okay, this will be nice because it's like balance with these two. Okay, so remember just now, step number 3 is install your WordPress. Step number 4, install the Elementor plugin. Step number 5, find a template. Yeah, a template like this that you want, then you customize or change to suit your need. That will be a faster way rather than start from scratch, because there is so many elements that you can try on, but if you're scratch because you have no idea, it's very difficult. So if you're new, just go and play around with that. The most is that you don't want to publish or save it. Okay, so once you do all this, the template, and then you're happy with that, put in all the information, change the photos that you want. That's step number 6. Put in all the information, complete with the photos, information that you want, the videos, then your website is ready. Then I can publish it, click publish, and then I will click on preview. So you see, your website is done. So how easy is that, right? Today, with all this Elementor. Now, I know this is Elementor. This is like a free version, some more. But you really want more functions and all this thing. For me, I actually using Elementor Pro because there's a lot of function very useful to help me, like pop up, the forms to collect leads and so on. So it's very, very useful. So if you seriously want to build a good functional website, then invest in it and then it will help you. So that will be the 6 steps on how to create your website. So I hope you got a good picture of how to create your website from scratch, starting from finding a hosting, get your domain, install your WordPress, and you have the right plugin, the Elementor plugin, and inside the Elementor, get a template that suits you, and then number 6 is customize and put in all the right information in there, and your website is done. So how great is that? So I hope this video will help you. If you have constraint in your budget, then you can use this to at least get your business online so that people can find you, you can share information faster. Now, if you want to know more how to use your website, you can watch this video right up here. This is where I talk about why a company or small business should use a website to promote their business. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share to your friends who want to start a website. And remember, you want to sign up for the hosting, the link is right below, and then use the coupon that I give you and to get more discount and start your first website online. Now, this is Andrew, and I publish weekly business tips to help small business how to grow online. If you're not subscribed to this channel, remember to subscribe right now so that when we publish our content every week, you will be notified. And remember to click on the notification bell too. And meanwhile, you can also watch some of this video that I teach about using website, using online tools, and also business idea, how to grow your business online. So I'll see you soon in my next video.